What's going on, guys? My name is Kailash from Study with Kailash YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to create a graphical user interface using Python. So this is going to be a series of videos so you can follow along and learn all about it. Before we get started, if you like this video and wanna see more, be sure to smash the like button and get subscribed. So let's roll the intro.
Zombie apocalypse.
So first of all, we need to import all the important modules. So let's import TKINTER. Import star means we are importing everything. So now we need to name a window. Let's name it YouTube. Is equals to TK. Every program in TKINTER ends with this line: your window name dot mainly. So this code has created an TKINTER background. Now let's add a widget. Let's add a label first. Our window name, that is YouTube. Text that we need to write. Let's type hello YouTube. Font, italic, let's look at it. And the font size also. Font size is 10. The background color goes to BG. Let's keep it yellow. FG means the foreground of the label. Let's keep it blue. Now we need to place or back our label. See, I have successfully packed my label. As you can see, it's pretty small, so let's change the geometry of the window. To change the geometry, we will use geometry function. Geometry. Now we will type the resolution that we want. Let's keep it 300 cross 200. See, the geometry of the window changed. Now we can also change the title from TK to anything we want. To change the title, we will use title function. So as you can see, TKINTER is so simple. All the things are so common. Let's name it Study with Kailash. You see the title of the window changed to Study with Kailash. Now if we want to add an icon, if you have an icon, so you can add an icon also. Let's name an icon. Let's name it as YouTube. We don't need to name an icon. You can just write it like this one. YouTube but icon bitmap. And the name of the icons. As you can see, I have an icon named Study with Kailash icon, so I will write this as Study with Kailash.ic. This will add an icon. As you can see, the icon has been added. Now let's add a button in our window. So for button, we will use button function. Name of the window, that is YouTube. Format text. Let's type subscribe. Let's keep the font. Let's keep it normal default, comma bold, and let's keep the font as 50, not 50. We do large. Background color, let's keep it purple. And foreground white. And we need to pack our button. If we will not pack our button, it will not appear on our video. See, such a big subscribe button. The subscribe button is in red color, so let's change it to red. Yeah, now it's looking right. So please subscribe if you like this video. Now let's see what happened if we will not pack. I have changed this to a comment. Let's see. The button does not appear on the window. So it is very important to place pack or grid art. So let's use place function. In place of pack, we will place this in 0. White is to 120. See the position of the button changed. The button is not doing anything because we have not given it any command. So let's give the command. Let's give the command. Now we need to define a function named subscribe. Let's print hello world. Now see here in the output section, see it's printing hello world. We can do more things also. Like we can define another button in subscribe button, means when we will click the button that is named subscribe, it will give another button that will, let's create a button, it will show another button. I will show you, you will get it better if you will see it. Font, let's keep it small this time. Let's keep this one small. Bold, comma, 10, comma 10. Let's keep it 5. Let's keep it 7. Medium 1 for everything. Now the BG color. Let's keep it orange. And FG will be font. So we can write dot place or dot pack over here also. See, it is making our life so easy. Now we will, as you can see, another button named like. Now we can give a command to like also. Let's give it a command. Command is like. Now we need to define like function. Define like. Wow, my first GUI application. Subscribe button, like, and it is printing. Wow, my first UI application. It's so easy, we can do anything that we want. We can change the font, we can add pictures. It is so lightly, so beautiful. It's the most easiest way to create a GUI application. So if you like this video and wanna see more, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day. See you in the next one.